Water technologies. So some of them are for testing water and some of them are for treating water. I'll start with the water testing technologies, and that came out of sort of a couple of things. One is that we found that a lot of times communities have access to a variety of water sources, but they don't know which ones are safe. And so if you're able to test water yourself, then you can identify a safe water source versus an unsafe water source. And multiple times we would be in communities where, I know one village in Uganda was being very careful about drinking the spring water from the mountains and using the shallow well water for washing, but it turned out that the shallow water was clean and the spring water was dirty, and that if they had just been able to know that, they would be able to be drinking the safe water and washing with the less clean water. So we developed a few different technologies to allow you to do water quality testing. One of the ways that you can do it is something called membrane filtration, and what you do is you pull water through a piece of filter paper so that all the bacteria that was in the water goes onto that piece of paper, and then you can put that paper, you can give it some culture medium and then grow it up in an incubator, and then the bacteria will grow enough that you can see them and count them, and then you know how many bacteria were in your water. This is a device that's commercially available to do that type of test, and it costs about $800, which is a lot. So we decided, could we design something that would do the same thing but be a lot cheaper? So this is the D-Lab version, and it's based on a baby bottle, and inside of it there's a piece of wire mesh and a small rubber gasket, and using those you can do essentially the same thing as this, but at a fraction of the cost. So I think it costs maybe $13 for this test kit.